I'm going to do this piece for the Ellen Show. God will take back his land. We don't own this land. We borrow it as man. Nothing belongs to us. It's the fortune and love and God's touch. They speak of a ruler of this land. So our fate is in Mother Nature's hands. She gives us a moment or two. Then she takes it away from me and you. God blesses us with talents of all kinds as our lives are entwined. Every disaster is to learn, be it flooded out or burn. God wants us to enjoy the moments as today, even after Mother Nature takes it away. People, it's how you treated Mother Nature's property. Release the burden. Be free. Like they say, treat her land well because it will be taken back one day. Remember, we don't own this land. We borrow it within life's plan. I wrote that. I forget when I wrote it, but I wrote it. And I'm half blind, so I have a hard time reading. But happy birthday, Ellen DeGeneres. I love you.